Once you've finished working with a document, you're going to be able to want to save it back to where you originally saved it or into a new location. There is only one way of doing this, and that's by either pressing Command or Control and S on your keyboard, or by simply going into your options here, and you will see that because this document hasn't actually been changed since I opened it, the save option is actually greyed out, which means I would have to save it as a different document in order to save it. And to do that, you simply click on the Save As option, and then it will bring up your file browser like so, and you can either save over the top by clicking on the file that you want to save over, and then it will simply click on Save, making sure obviously that your Same As type selection is actually on the correct file type. Photoshop, if you have layers in Photoshop, it will default save it as a PSD file. If you do not want to do that, if you want to save it as a JPEG or a PNG so that you can use them on websites or other applications, you are going to need to go through this menu and double check that you actually have JPEG selected. Then, assuming that your file, I'm going to save this as a different file name because I don't want to save over the original, add a 2 to it, hit save, and it will come up with the JPEG options. The quality, as you can see here, will allow you to define the resolution of the image and the number of colors in it. If you want to make the file size smaller, you can simply drag it down. Alternatively, you have a drop down menu here so that you can adjust this. I tend to leave it on maximum because I don't want my images to be degraded. Then you simply hit OK and the file is saved.